Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the Vidalido 8 to 10 person camping tent.
A spacious and durable option for all your outdoor adventures.
Let's get started. First off, let's talk about size.
This tent boasts a whopping 13.1 feet by 9.1 feet floor space, with a peak height of 76.7 inches. That's enough room to comfortably accommodate 8 to 10 people, whether you're camping with family or friends.
Now, what sets the Vidalido tent apart? It's all about quality and functionality. Constructed with anti-tear 150D polyester and 200D Oxford fabric, this tent is built to last. Plus, with a 1500 polyurethane hydrostatic rated coating, it's completely waterproof, making it ideal for camping in any weather conditions.
But it's not just about durability. The Vidalido tent also prioritizes comfort.
With 3 mesh doors, 2 mesh windows, and a mesh tent top, you'll enjoy excellent ventilation and scenic views of the outdoors.
And for those starry nights, the large mesh roof allows you to stargaze right from the comfort of your tent. Another standout feature of the Vidalido tent is its versatility. Thanks to a separated curtain, the tent can easily transform into a 2-room cabin, providing enhanced privacy for you and your fellow campers. Whether you're looking for a communal space or a bit of alone time, this tent has you covered.
Now, let's talk setup.
Designed with user-friendliness in mind, the Vidalido tent is remarkably easy to set up.
With just 2 people, you can have it pitched in around 6 to 8 minutes. And don't worry, the included instructions make the process a breeze, ensuring a stable and secure setup every time. And when it's time to pack up and hit the road, the Vidalido tent doesn't disappoint.
Weighing in at just 39.6 pounds and conveniently packing down into a 26.3 by 10.2 by 10.2 inch carrying bag, it's incredibly portable and easy to transport. Whether you're embarking on a weekend getaway or a cross-country road trip, this tent is ready to go wherever adventure takes you.
So there you have it, the Vidalido 8 to 10 person camping tent.
A spacious, durable, and versatile option for all your outdoor escapades. If you're in the market for a tent that combines comfort, convenience, and quality, look no further.
Thanks for watching Product Critique.
Until next time, happy camping.